Good morning. This is Danny with Otto & Sons Nursery. Wanted to follow up on some of our pruning videos. It's spring, bloom is happening on some of, there's the roses going crazy. We've got a nectarine over here that's blooming really nicely. But some of the earlier varieties, like this is Eva's Pride, has already set fruit and is already starting to size out nicely. One thing you got to do though, when we start seeing, when the bloom's all gone and we start seeing small fruit, something that's really important to come through, especially on smaller trees where you're looking for getting nice sized fruit. They have a tendency to overset and you get way too many fruit set on the tree. So you can see there's a couple dozen fruit there. A tree this size should really not have that many fruit on it. You're gonna end up with a bunch of very small peaches. So what you need to do is go through and kind of thin them out, pull out some of the ones, especially towards the end. You want to knock those off and keep a couple of the fruit down towards the bottom. The reason for that is if you keep the ones on the end, as they grow, this branch will bend and eventually break and you won't have any peaches at all. So if you come through and thin it so that they each have a little bit of space, you can see me, I'm gonna leave 3 on this branch down low. Those have plenty of space to grow and expand. And just kind of go through, and this is a little tiny branch that's got 6 or 7 on it. Just kind of pop a couple off. It can feel kind of painful, but in the end, it's really worth it. And then you end up with nice sized peaches that will have good sugar content and be a good size for your spring snacking. That's it. Little video on thinning. Thank you.